Hi Aquarius! Kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well and welcome back to 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one. So, hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate. Pwede niyong panoorin ang inyong Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. Minsan mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell, Aquarius. Maraming salamat sa iyo. Tingnan natin kung ano yung mga energies and messages for you. Mga gabay para sa inyo, Aquarius. Let's see. Ano yung mga strong energies and messages for Aquarius, please. Okay. Merong older woman. Dealings or relationship with an older woman. Okay. Maybe there is a concern or issue about an older woman. Maybe a mother. Okay. Someone who is older than you. May concerns na mga kailangan pag-usapan with this person. Heals. Obstacles to overcome. Okay. So you will be overcoming challenges and obstacles. Maybe sa work or in your personal life. Okay. Sunrise. New creative ideas, new ventures, a fresh start. Okay. Fresh start for you, Aquarius. Meron kayong naisip na mga ventures or creative ideas. Maybe a new income stream. Okay. Online. Okay. That is for some of you. Funnel. Period of frustration, lessons to be learned. Okay. For some of you, you are going through something. Okay. Merong disappointment, pero you've learned something from it. Okay. Oh, good advice from a wise person. Okay. For some of you, if you need some advice, okay, you can ask a mentor. Para maging mapanatag ang inyong pakiramdam. Okay? If you don't know kung ano yung gagawin sa isang bagay, you can ask help. Seek advice. Okay? From someone who is from someone na mas marunong, mas eksperyensyado, mas nakakaalam. Okay? Woman. Dealings or relationship with a woman. Okay? Again, there is merong older woman. This one is younger. Okay. Some issues about that. Na kailangan pag-usapan. May concern. Let us see ano yung messages from the tarot for Aquarius, please. Aquarius. Ano yung messages for Aquarius, please? Aquarius. Okay. Yeah. For some of you, you will be good. You will feel good about the situation. Okay. Someone new will enter into your life, pero hindi mo alam kung bibigyan mo pa ng pansin ito or hindi. Okay. For some of you, you are dealing with a mother. Yeah. You are going to make a decision pero hindi mo pa alam kung anong gagawin. Nag-iisip ka pa. You're thinking about your money or your finances. Yeah. There's going to be a celebration. Merong meet-up or gatherings. Maybe with your friends. Okay. Merong get-together na mangyayari na ikakatuwa ninyo. Yeah. For some of you, you are concerned about these gatherings. Yeah. Concerning also about this older woman, a mature woman. Okay. Yeah. You don't know if you're going to spend time with your friends or with a special person. Okay? With this Queen of Cups, you're thinking about it. Yeah. For some of you, you will be reuniting with someone older than you. Queen of Cups is someone nurturing, okay? A caring person, a mother. Yeah. For some of you, you have concerns about a younger person. Maybe this is a child. Okay. Meron kayong desisyon na kailangan gawin or pag-isipan. Okay? Concerning your time and your money. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yung iba sa inyo, merong desire na mag-move forward, okay, to something na mas meaningful na sitwasyon, na mas makapagpasaya sa inyo, okay? Maybe you're leaving a situation temporarily. To go towards a better situation, okay? Na makapagpasaya sa inyo. Yeah. Because you feel that something is missing emotionally. Parang hindi kayo satisfied sa inyong nararamdaman or sa inyong sitwasyon ngayon. So, temporarily, you are thinking na pansamantala aalis ka muna sa inyong sitwasyon, okay? To go to something or meaningful para sa inyo, okay? Yeah. Okay. Maybe this is a family situation, friendship. Yeah. Difficulties are over, okay? Embrace the change, Aquarius. There is hope. Better days are coming up, okay? For some of you, you are not feeling well, okay? Meron kayong nararamdaman, most especially sa likod nyo. Yes. Yeah. You are thinking about an unwise decision. Okay? For some of you, tingnan nyo rin yung mga tao na nakakasalamuhan ninyo na may mga or hindi maganda yung motibo or yung motive sa inyo, hindi fair. Yeah. Choose your battles wisely. Medyo nahihirapan ka na sa ganitong sitwasyon. Okay. Yeah. Kailangan mo maging matatag. Okay? Be courageous. Kailangan mo ng willpower to make a decision or to reach for your goals, kung ano man yung target, ano yung plano ninyo. You have kailangan mo ng courage and willpower to succeed. Okay? For some of you, you will be traveling. Yeah. Meron kang important na achievement na matatanggap or importante na pangyayari, okay? This is success or victory. Partnership will come. Merong forgiveness at the same time kung meron mang hindi pagkakasunduan. Okay? Yeah. For some of you, you are willing to take the risk. You're going to take the leap of faith. Decision na gagawin mo. Okay. Okay. Yeah, for some of you, you're going to meet someone. You will be traveling, okay, to reunite with someone, Aquarius. You're going to take that chance to take that risk. Yeah, parang buo yung loob mo, okay? Nasusubukan. You will be independent. Stand still. Sometimes you have to look at things from a different perspective. Let go of control issues. May mga bagay na hindi mo lahat kontrolado. Sometimes you just have to accept the circumstance that you are in. And then, kung ano man yung mga insights, bagong mga ideas na ibibigay sa inyo, embrace it, okay? Let go of control issues. Take a break also for some of you. Yeah. Parang nababalot ka ng negative thoughts, Aquarius. You know, please know that you have the ability na i-detach mo ang sarili mo sa mga overthinking or pag-iisip ng hindi maganda. Okay? Yeah. Be kind to yourself. Take a break. You feel that merong hindi fair na nangyayari, okay? And you're thinking that too much. You're thinking about it too much, okay? Parang hindi na siya healthy para sa inyo. Nako-compromise din ang health ninyo, Aquarius, because of that. Okay? Sometimes you just have to let go of things. This is important, Aquarius. Okay, take a break. Stand still. Let go and let God. Believe in yourself. Keep on moving forward, okay? Be courageous. Aquarius. Yeah. Kung nahirapan ka man sa sitwasyon ninyo, sometimes you have no choice but to keep on moving, okay? Keep moving forward. Okay? That is the best decision that you can make for now. Okay? Believe in yourself. Have the courage na malalampasan mo. Whatever kung ano man yung mga hindi maganda na pinagdadaanan ninyo. Okay? But definitely, there is lesson learned sa situation ninyo. Okay? Huwag lang kayo masyado mag-overthink kasi nako-compromise ang inyong health. Yes. You are protected by the universe, by your guardian angel. Kung meron man kayong, be patient, okay? Trust the process and wait for the perfect timing. Be calm, kalma lang, okay, Aquarius? If you are waiting on something, be patient, again, okay? Balance and moderation is needed in your situation. Okay. Balanse mo lang din ang inyong emosyon at ang inyong iniisip. Yeah. Again, release negative thoughts. Okay? Sometimes, okay yung situation, pero nag-iisip lang ng negative. And yun yung nakaka-influence sa inyo para maano kayo sa unhealthy na habits or unhealthy na situation, negative thinking, okay? Hindi kayo nakakawala doon dahil nag-iisip kayo ng negative. Parang you feel na parang wala na kayong magawa or yeah. Okay. Again, kalma lang. Huwag masyadong mag-isip. Enjoy yourself. Go out. Okay? Do not rush things, Aquarius. May point na minsan parang hindi na kayo makakagawa dahil parang nakapako na kayo sa pag-iisip ng hindi maganda. Okay? Be patient with yourself and don't be too harsh or too hard on yourself. Okay? Be patient, believe, trust that everything will be okay. Let go kung may mga hindi fair na nangyari, may mga tao na gumagawa or hindi maganda ang intensyon, hindi maganda ang motibo sa inyo. I-review mo bawat isa kung sino yung mga yun. Okay, then let go. Choose your battles wisely. Okay? Kasi yun yung nagpapabagal sa inyo or sa inyong sitwasyon. Okay? Nako-compromise ang inyong health. Okay? Have the courage and the willpower to move on and move forward. Okay? For some of you, merong forgiveness in a situation. Okay? So, tingnan natin ano yung messages, other messages for Aquarius. Aquarius, please. Dalawa. Learn to ride the waves of life when faced with difficult times. You can either fight against the current or go with it. So ask yourself, what is to be gained by depleting your energy and fighting against it? Don't do that to yourself. Okay. Parang confirmation ng reading ninyo. You need to ignore what everyone else is doing and achieving. Your life is about breaking your own limits and outgrowing yourself to live your best life. You are not in competition with anyone else. Plan to outdo your past, not other people. Okay. Okay. Tingnan natin from the angel number. For Aquarius, please. Aquarius. If you keep seeing the number 000, this is the message for you. You are one with the Creator and there are no limits to what you can achieve. You have the ability to create something new and incredible in your lifetime here on earth. I am a creator. So you are a creator, Aquarius. So ignore what everyone else is doing and achieving. Focus on yourself, believe in yourself, And do not overthink. Huwag mag-isip ng hindi maganda. Okay? Hindi siya nakakatulong para sa inyo. Okay? Thank you so much, Aquarius. Ito lang yung mga messages para sa inyo. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye!